Good evening, folks. I hope you all had a wonderful day. I'm gonna post this link real quick and we'll get started here in just a minute. As always, this will be recorded and I will post the link after it is done. It will be on our Twitter. All right. Good evening, sir. All right, let's get started. Let's make this quick because we just have to follow up on yesterday. So we'll do it real quick here. Today, as you have seen, we have it written down here, your 416 is your resistance. This morning, it did try to break through that, but no, market said, not yet, not ready. I think this is going to consolidate here above this 9 EMA. So as long as 405 holds on this one, it is bullish. As soon as it breaks, we're going to update this 9 EMA here real quick. So watch this 405 level very, very closely on the SPY. If it breaks below that, it's going to head back down to 399 and then all the way down to your previous lows in May. So 405 is your key level to watch on the downside, and on the upside, you got to watch 416 break with volume. Your tech world, it was a super duper fake out this morning. Almost got me thinking about it, but you know, it was a distribution phase, so it did not feel like it would continue. Because I was watching SPY at the same time too, and SPY could not break above 416. So I kind of figured that Qs, are a fake out above this 410 level. But after a few minutes, after like I think 15 minutes, we started the downtrend and we played that today. So this one, I'll be watching 303 level. Below that, you have your support at this 9 EMA on the Qs, which is at 301. As long as 301 holds on Qs, it is good. Below that, it's going to go back to May lows. And just to update the options flow real quick, guys, been watching a lot of July put activity coming in. So keep a really, really close eye on that one. July, they are buying 398 puts on SPY, and they are buying 288 puts, I believe, on the Qs for July 15th. The good part here on the overall market here is that VIX is closing below this 50 SMA, which we wanted to see that. So as soon as, tomorrow, I would like to see a nice confirmation on this VIX. It was a nice rejection on this fib level, and it closed below 50 SMA too. So that's a really, positive that we might see a little bit more consolidation before we break to the upside. But, again, this VIX, watch this 50 SMA. It is at 2738 as of today. Tesla is nicely coming back for the back test here on this 9 EMA. I think Tesla is gonna blast through this 9 EMA too. So keep a close eye on this one. 724 is your key level on this one. So I'm going to update this one real quick as 9 EMA did catch up with the price action. So as long as 724 holds on Tesla, we'll see more upside. I would enter Tesla at 724, 725 level and keep my stop below 720. If it breaks 720, we are headed back down all the way to the May lows. It will take some time, but eventually it's going to take a step back down. So keep a close eye on that one. Facebook, we were watching this 192 level, but Facebook got news today that their COO is leaving. So this is where it broke this 9 EMA. I would be really interested to see tomorrow if it gets above this 9 EMA. But that sell volume on that news was pretty intense. So I would wait for confirmation on Facebook. Amazon, I believe it might be done here. Tomorrow or day after tomorrow is their split. And this almost looks like a shooting star. It rejected, it wicked above 2,500, and we fell pretty hard. So watch this 2460 level tomorrow. See if it can get above that tomorrow. If not, I think it's a short. I've been seeing a lot of 2280 puts for this week and next week coming in. So be careful trading Amazon now. I think the run might be over on this one. I think Amazon's money is going to head to Google now. Google, if you guys remember, we've been talking about 2260 level. I did enter this one cautiously, very small position today. I bought into 2500 for July 15th calls. As long as 2260 holds, I might hold on to my position. If not, I'll cut it and wait for a little bit around 2230 to re-enter. That's your 9 EMA. But I think as soon as Amazon is done, I think the money is going to come to Google here, and Google is going to start the run Amazon had. So keep a close eye on this one. AMD is also, if you think about, if you look at it right here, it is pretty much, these all stocks are trying to make a flag right here. You know, this one, if you go on Tesla too, that's what they're trying to do. So as long as 98 to 99 level holds on AMD, this is still bullish. So I think it's going to consolidate here before it breaks out. I've been seeing a little bit of call activity for 110s coming in on AMD. So keep a close eye on it. You know, the risk reward here is pretty nice because the stop loss can be below 98. So keep a close eye on AMD as well. The two new ones I'm watching tomorrow is Costco. Costco is coming to a point here. It closed below this 9 EMA today, which is at 458.20, and we closed at 456.99. I saw some put activity, and that's what caught my attention on this one. They are buying June 17th. They're buying June 17th. I believe it was 440 puts. So I think they're going over here for the gap fill. If you look at closely right here, there's a gap to fill. So it might come here around 443.50 area to gap fill. So keep a close eye on Costco tomorrow. Below 455, you can go for June 15th, right? Yeah, no, June 17th. June 17th, 440 puts. So this is our trade idea for today. So let's write it down real quick. Below 455 by 440 puts. All right, there we go. If it gets above 455, cut it. So your stop loss would be anywhere around 15%. So this is a really good trade. Definitely keep an eye on this one. The other one I'm watching is Coin. Coin closed below this 9 EMA as well, but it is holding this trend line, if you can see, and it is sitting on a support right here. But if it breaks 67, it is a short. It closed at 68, 63 today, you know, and well below that. And I think these crypto names are taking a beating right now. So let's see if it can hold on to it. But above 71, I would buy calls. Let me update this one to short below 67 and above 71.10 actually. Buy 75 calls. So these are your two trade ideas. Keep an eye on this one, Costco and Coin for tomorrow. I'll be watching them closely and I'll see what Google does tomorrow and we'll update it. All right, folks, this is all I have for tonight. Oh, the last one, Home Depot. Home Depot, I want to see if it can bounce. I closed a little bit below the level I was watching. So I want to see 97, 297.50. But you know, below 50 SMA, I don't like it. We'll see what it does tomorrow. But below 297, it's a short. It can, you know, you'll have a 7 points, nice 7 points short on this one. So keep an eye on 297 level on Home Depot. All right, folks, this is all I have for tonight. Awad Vapor, we already looked at Google. So if you want a good entry, it will be around 2230 area. But if tomorrow market turns around a little bit, there is volume, watch 2260 level. As long as that holds, it's good to go. PanW and Intuit. PanW is rejecting your 200 SMA. This purple line is your 200 SMA. It is a sandwich between this 9 EMA and 200 SMA. So it's not going anywhere till it breaks. So your key level to watch is 495 right now and 520. Above above 505, I would buy calls because it's probably going to go retest this 200 SMA, but you don't have too much room, and their premiums are kind of wide. Into it. I already have the lines ready here. It is rejecting this 50% fib level at 423.50. That is your key level to watch for more upside. On downside, below 403, I would short it. So your key level to watch for upside again is 423.50. All right, the last one is Target. Ouch. Target. Not happy. Target is at 156. Yikes. I haven't seen this one in a bit. Sarah, as you can see, look at this. You know, our good old friend 9 EMA. Can't even get above that. It is sitting on support right now, although I would like to see this 155 level hold though. Below 155, it is going to go and retest 145. Actually, I'm going to keep my alert on this one too. Below 155, I'll probably short it too. Thank you for bringing this to my attention. I like playing Target. So there you go. My alert is set. And keep a close eye on this 9 EMA that changes with the price action. If you put it on your chart right now, currently is at 165.70. All right, I'll go ahead and post this recorded link for you guys on Twitter. I will see you all bright and early tomorrow. Happy trading tomorrow.